Cap 26 is just Tips, Repairs, and Hobbies, and I'm going to try to epoxy this cross and eyelet together. So we put equal amounts in here, and we're going to mix it up of A and B of the Bob Smiths, and mix it up pretty good in here. I used a pill container top. I want to mix it pretty good. And I'm gonna drop some on top of this right here, like that. It's gonna drip. Let's see if we get the two pieces together. Sorry for the autofocus things, guys. I'm gonna do it again. Like that. And that's a good glob. Kind of smells. So I'm gonna let that set overnight and see how it turns out. So stay tuned. As you can see, we got this epoxied on the cross, and the epoxy is supposed to be pretty impervious to warm water, so it shouldn't come off. Gonna give it 2 days curing time and just leave it like that. So I want to show you that. I hope this helps you, and you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.